So seeing the prior revisions for the new home sales, prior was revised to 0.698 million from 0.634 million. That's the change, also revised up to 2% from minus 4.7%.
Starting to see a lot of absorption into the offer, but they were able to push through it. Yeah, we might not get this push through the highs. I should have scratched that. Why did I cancel my stop? I could have just had that for break even, but I got greedy. They're gonna try to push it again. Yeah, I should have taken that break even. Take 3 off there. See what we can let run. A lot of absorption there. See if I can get another one off. Only got one left. Let's see what this does. So we're gonna see a little bit of a breakout. I'm gonna add one. I should have taken that stop. So they're seeing the absorption on the bid. I should have just stuck with the one contract. Seeing the absorption on the offer too. And reloading, I don't want to take 4 off here. Take the last one off at the highs if we get it. Let's take it off here. I don't really. Be nice if we get the fill on this. Nope. This is maybe not a great idea. This liquidity. Okay. Alright. This is stressful, man. It's fucking stressful.
So pollster IFOP sees the far-right National Rally in France reaching 36% of the popular votes ahead of the first round of French parliamentary elections. So again, this is taking place on Sunday. There is also a televised debate happening in France tomorrow regarding this. So we're looking now to the Fear and Greed Index, 42 out of 100, which indicates fear. Crypto Fear and Greed Index at 46 out of 100, also indicating fear. We're keeping an eye on the VIX as well. It's currently down just 0.8% at around 12.95 points. So in 10 minutes time now, at the bottom of the hour, we see the release of the weekly EIA inventories numbers. Crude oil inventories forecast sees a draw of 2.82 million on the prior draw of 2.547 million. The range sees a draw of 1 million to a draw of 3.048 million expected. For the gasoline inventories, the forecast is a draw of 1.5 million on the prior draw of 2.28 million. Distillate inventories forecast is a draw of 1.05 million on the prior draw of 1.726 million. Inventories of crude in Cushing, the prior was a build of 0.307 million. Just making note of the API private crude oil stock change, which came out last night after the close, which showed a build of 0.9 million on the expected draw of 3 million. So again, API crude yesterday did come out at a build on the expected draw. There is some correlation between the prints. Yen sliding against the euro to the weakest level on record.
Should I review or should I go to, should I do some sim trading? Okay, so seeing some big absorption on the bid, but got a little bit of a two-way range formed here. We're seeing absorption on the offer, but if they start pulling this away, they're still reloading on the bid. We're starting to hit there it is, but then I want to see them start hitting these offers. Right there, I'm gonna buy it. Okay. We're gonna target the highs, and keep our stop right below the liquidity. So we'll go, yeah, we are probably gonna take a scratch on that. I should have put more thought into where the stop was going before I got into the trade. And that's why I'm taking a stop out. Or a bigger stop out than I should have. But here we're getting absorption again. But they just, we'll try again at the PSE here, which is also kind of close to the lows. But again, now we're seeing that big absorption. They blew through it. Okay, reloading on the offer. So again, we're seeing absorption on the bid, reloading, pulling the offer now. So reloading on the bid. Still reloading on the offer though. That's what we don't want to see. Okay, so they backed off.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with the EIA crude oil inventories.
They're not seeing it. This is not reversing. Well, we need confirmation on this because we're at the lows. I mean, it is the PSC, but we broke it. You would probably look for a pop off of the point of control, but we missed it. We're seeing that reversal play out. We could look for a retest, maybe.
10 seconds.
I'm gonna lean on the point of control here. I would be willing to scale into this. I'll take one off.
The build of 3 spot 5 2.91 million, a build of 3.591 million. That's larger than the expected draw of 2.82 million. Distillate inventories, a draw of 0.377 million, draw of 0.377 million. So that is larger
Okay,
than the
that was a
expected
solid
draw of
trade. So
1.05 million. Gasoline inventories, a
absorption
build of
reversal off
2.654 million, a build of
the point of control.
2.654 million, which is larger than the expected draw of 1.5 million. We're seeing a little bit of weakness in WTI crude prices following that larger than expected storage draw in crude inventories.
So could we see on the short side now? We're seeing absorption on the offer,
Also, crude Cushing inventories, a draw of 0.226
but
million,
there's
a draw of
pull through.
0.226 million.
We're strong reloading on the bid right now. I don't think we'll see a reversal till we get to the highs. Yeah, we're seeing strong absorption on the offer. NQ is looking like it's failing. But this liquidity here making me nervous. And they just absorbed 242 on the bid, so if it does reverse from here, it won't do it easily. We would have got a good trade of that, but I just didn't see a clear access point. We could try to get on the retest.
According to a Dallas Fed survey, they
Just
say regional oil and gas activity rises
just
modestly in the second quarter, and oil and gas production was little changed for Q2.
Okay, we missed that entry. Could potentially retest it again just because of our context or some market sentiment. Nope. Yeah, we missed our access point on that one. Okay, I'm gonna turn my recording off and do some review instead of just trading on sim for the rest of the day.